Hello everyone! I hope you are doing well with your lessons. Today we will learn about the natural wonders of the world. Please open your books on page 58 and 59. We will start the lesson with 3 pictures. There are 3 pictures presented to you, and you will think, what kind of wonders are they? They're natural wonders, and could you name them? What do you see on the first picture? What is it? It's a waterfall. On the second picture, can you guess what kind of natural wonder is this? It's a mountain. Picture number 3. Look at this photo and try to guess what kind of natural wonder is it? It's a cave. Now we will proceed with 3 different natural wonders that people talk about. We have first Nicole, who's talking about Dunn's River. Please listen and read. Dunn's River Falls is our wonder of nature in Jamaica. The falls are like giant rock steps that end up in the Caribbean Sea. You can climb up them, but not on your own because they're very slippy. You have to go up hand in hand and make a long human chain. It's great fun. Special shoes are provided to help you walk through the water. The falls are really beautiful, but it's not just tourists who visit. Scenes from Dr. No, which was the first ever James Bond movie, were filmed here. Now let's continue with Kevin, who talks about Table Mountain. Did you know that Table Mountain was made one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature in 2011? Table Mountain is the famous flat-topped mountain that overlooks my hometown, Cape Town, in South Africa. It's also a national park with a large number of plants and animals. 5 of the world's most poisonous snakes are found here. But don't worry, they're rarely seen. If you're lucky, another animal you can see in the daisy, which is only found in Africa. Years ago, you could also find leopards on the mountain, but now they are an endangered species in South Africa. Now we have Irene, which talks about Waitomo glowworm caves. Let's listen and read. I love the Waitomo glowworm caves, which are one of New Zealand's most amazing natural wonders. They were formed over 30 million years ago and are famous of stalactites and stalagmites and for their luminous worms. Yes, luminous. You won't need a candle or a torch inside the cave. These small creatures make light to attract insects for food. It's weird. Take a guided tour and experience this amazing wonder of nature. You won't regret it. So we've listened and read at the same time the experience of these guys with the natural wonders on their hometown. Now we're going to answer true, false, or doesn't say. We have the given sentences here, which you have to state whether they are true, false, or the statements that are presented are not described in the text that we read. So, doesn't say, true, false, or doesn't say. The Duns River Falls are on the coast. That is true. We can see it here. Now you have to guess the second statement, if it is true, false, or it doesn't say. You can walk up the Duns River Falls without help. What do you think? It's false. Number 3. Table Mountain has 2,200 species of the wild flowers. It doesn't say. Number 4. The daisy is only found on Table Mountain. It's false. Number 5. There are millions of bats inside the Waitomo glowworm caves. It doesn't say. Number 6. Glowworms generate light to get something to eat. That is true. Now, let's do some speaking exercises. We've got some questions here which you can use to talk or discuss with your friends and family members. In pairs, answer the questions. So you can open a discussion with these type of questions. Which of the places in the photos would you most like to visit? Which of the places is the most scary or the most dangerous and why? What natural landscape features can you find in your country? Is there a place in your country that could be a new natural wonder of nature? You can use these questions to open a discussion with your friends, family members, or whoever you want. Homework. Do a project about a landscape feature in your country. Answer the questions. Download a photo of it from the internet. The questions are here presented. What is the feature? Where is it? Why did you choose it? What is it like? What can you do or see there? And the other homework, you're going to complete pages 46 and 47 on your workbook. This was all for today. Thank you for your attention. We will see next time with the next lesson. Goodbye.